for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for being here. Jackie Graham, thank you so much for all the encouragement, for not making me give up on this channel. You really encouraged me to pull through, to go through. You taught me a lot, and a lot of them I cannot mention, but all I can say is thank you so much for your help in everything which you have done for me and my family. So today's video, I'm unboxing my laptop. So on 7/7 we had a sale on Lazada app, so I decided to buy myself a laptop. So today is laptop day. Guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for everything which you have done, for subscribing, for commenting, and for liking. My names are Jessica Milambotan. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video is about I'm unboxing my laptop. Like I said, I'm unboxing the laptop. I'm using the scissors to unbox the laptop. So yeah, HP. Okay, it's a small laptop. It was specifically, I bought it for YouTube. It wasn't for anything else. I bought this laptop for my channel, for editing, for doing everything. I bought it for YouTube. It was affordable and it's okay, and then I can't wait to use it. It has got a nice charger. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you for hitting that button, that red button, for seeing this video. I really appreciate you guys.